Hi friends, I'm Sanu Changit from Sri Lanka. Welcome to my channel High Tech Solver. Today I'm gonna show you 21 useful keyboard shortcuts that are useful to you. We spend a lot of time when using mouse and doing our work. So I thought of making this video because I saved a lot of time when doing my work using these keyboard shortcuts. Hope you will also get benefited. So friends, let's go to our video. If you are working in several programs in the same time, to easily scroll through those programs, press Alt and Tab at the same time and press the Tab key until you find the program you want to enter and work. And when you are in a program, if you want to see your desktop, press Windows plus D at the same time and pressing this again will open the program you are working. And if you want to capture the part of your screen, press Windows, Shift and S and left click the mouse and select the portion of the screen that you like to capture like this. And you have to copy this to your favorite image editing programs. And if you have multiple tabs in your web browser like this, if you close a tab you want, so I am closing the tabs, I want the Gmail tab. To get the relevant tab, press Ctrl Shift T like this and the tabs will be appear again. Everyone knows that the backspace key delete one character at a time. When we hold Ctrl and tapping the backspace key, will delete all words at a time. This is useful to delete sentences and paragraphs quickly. If you want to rename a file without using your mouse, you can go to the relevant file with arrow keys and press the F2 key and rename your file like this. And press enter, so your file is renamed. When you are in your web browser or any program, if the relevant program is not loading quickly, you can press F5 key to refresh the page. If you want to watch a YouTube video while doing another project, press Windows left or right arrow key to move the windows to the relevant side. If you want to capture the window you are working without a desktop, press Alt and print screen button and copy to your favorite image editing programs. If you want to save a file without your mouse, press Ctrl plus S. If you want to open settings without going to the start menu, press Windows plus I and open the settings menu. By pressing Windows and A keys, you will open the Action Center panel and press the Tab key and use the arrow keys to navigate this panel. If you want to see your virtual desktop, press Windows plus Tab. If you want to make a new virtual desktop, press Windows and Ctrl and D. So a new desktop is formed, and to switch between these desktops, hold down the Windows and Ctrl and press the right or left arrow keys like this. If you want to make a copy of a folder without copy and paste, you can press Ctrl and highlight this folder and drag it to the desktop again. Then you will receive a copy of that folder. When you are in a Word document and if you want to quickly jump to the top, press Ctrl and Home button. If you want to go to the bottom of the document, press Ctrl plus Enter. And if you want to open the heading quick link menu, press Windows plus X. So you can see the heading quick link menu. If you want to magnify your screen, bring the mouse pointer to the relevant place you want to magnify and press Windows and plus key or minus like this. You can magnify. With minus key you can go to the actual size of the screen. If you want to open an app in your taskbar without using your mouse, you have to press Windows and the relevant number. So this Zoom app is number 1 in the taskbar. So you can press Windows and 1. Then you can see it has opened. When you're using these shortcuts for the first time, you will not be able to memorize at once. What I did was use some sticky notes around the monitor, and few days later I realized that how fast I could finish my work. So I think this would be really useful to you, my friends. So my friends, if you like this video, please press this subscribe button and click the bell and make this video thumbs up and share it with your friends.